If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then let's try to fix that issue. Let's go to settings and let's just jump to connected devices. Now, if you already have your Bluetooth device saved over here, either in saved devices or media devices, then the first thing that you can do is simply turn off your Bluetooth device. We're gonna also go to connection preferences and then choose Bluetooth, and you want to disable Bluetooth. Then turn Bluetooth back on and turn your Bluetooth device back on. And we're gonna go back and we're gonna check, you want to check if your Bluetooth device actually works now. Sometimes this simple reset works just fine. Besides that, what you can also do is try to forget the device completely. So you can go to the details of your device and you can just simply choose to forget. Afterwards, you want to turn off your Bluetooth device and turn it back on. And then you want to go to pair new device and you want to, of course, pair your Bluetooth device again. In my case, I also have to enable the pairing mode. So in your case, if you can do so as well. And if you cannot do that, make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. And let's see if we can pair this time. In my case, of course, it works just fine. But if in your case it still doesn't work, what you can also do is we can go back to settings. And over here in settings, go to system, then you want to choose the reset options, and over here you should be able to find reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you want to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. Unfortunately, you cannot separate these two things, so if you do reset Bluetooth, you will erase all Bluetooth devices that have been connected to your phone, but also you will lose all Wi-Fi networks that were saved on your phone. So remember to reconnect your Wi-Fi networks if you decide to do so. Once you reset these Bluetooth settings, you just want to go back to connected devices and then just try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And if that didn't help as well, the pretty much last thing that you can do is perform a factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Now, I cannot unfortunately show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device, simply because every Bluetooth device has its own way of erasing all the data and factory resetting. So you want to try to find a manual and perform the factory reset and then try to pair your Bluetooth device with your Google Pixel 10 Pro. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.